Hi everyone, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we'll show you how to replace the N6 72 volts display. First, remove the wire wrap from the wiring harness. Then disconnect the connectors at the back of the display. The connectors are color-coded for easy identification. Next, use the official toolkit to loosen and remove the 2 screws from the display bracket. Then you can remove the display from the scooter. Take the new display and mount it back onto the handlebar. Then go to the back of the display and connect the connectors to their corresponding color, matched connectors on the scooter. After connecting everything, let's check if the display functions properly. Press and hold the power button to turn it on and unlock with the NFC card. Press and hold plus and minus to enter P settings. Click plus or minus to navigate through the P settings. Once you've confirmed the display is working correctly, tighten the screws on the display bracket. Make sure it's secure. Before riding, adjust the display to your preferred angle. This concludes our tutorial. If you encounter any issues during the replacement process, please contact our support team. Our technical professionals will provide solutions to ensure your scooter operates smoothly. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.